In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a purchase order as billed in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what changes to expect so your records stay clean and up to date. Start by heading to the Purchases area. From your Xero dashboard, open the Purchases menu to access all things related to buying from suppliers. Next, choose Purchase Orders. This brings up your list of orders across different statuses, so you can quickly find what you need. Now, switch to the Approved view. Approved purchase orders are the ones ready to be acted on. These have already been reviewed and accepted internally. Marking as billed is only appropriate once you've received the supplier's bill and you're ready to reflect that in your workflow. So the Approved tab is the right place to start. Find and select the purchase order you want to update. You can search by supplier, reference, dates, or amounts to narrow it down. Open the order and take a quick moment to confirm the details match the bill you received. Quantities, prices, and any notes. This quick check helps you avoid marking the wrong order as billed. At the top of the purchase order, look for the drop-down arrow. This is typically near the main action buttons. Click that drop-down to reveal more options specific to this purchase order. Choose Mark as Billed. Selecting this tells Xero that the supplier has billed you for this order and you're acknowledging that in your records. This action updates the purchase order status so it no longer appears as an outstanding commitment. You'll be asked to confirm, so click Mark as Billed again to finalize. Use this confirmation step to double check you've opened the correct order. Once confirmed, the status will update to Billed. This helps keep your purchase commitments accurate and prevents duplicate follow-up on items that have already been invoiced by the supplier. After marking as billed, return to your list and you'll see the order move out of the approved view. If needed, filter by billed to review it later. A good practice is to keep your approved list tidy so only genuinely outstanding purchase orders remain there. Also, if you're handling multiple bills against one order, consider your workflow carefully. Marking as billed is best used when the supplier's bill covers the order as intended. That's it. You've successfully marked a purchase order as billed in Xero, keeping your purchasing workflow clear and your reporting accurate.